Greetings, coders. In this video, we are going to dig into double pointers, or pointers that point to another pointer. So basically a single pointer that contains the address of another pointer and is able to therefore point at it. Why might we want this? Well, it's used to implement two-dimensional arrays, especially dynamically growing two-dimensional arrays. It'll allow us to modify a pointer's address in a function when with pass by value we would otherwise not be able to modify it. And it can allow us to manage an array of pointers. So here's a visualization along with the memory layout that we're used to seeing. We basically have a integer value down here, and a single pointer points directly to it using a star, and then a double pointer that contains the address of the single pointer, and so it can point to the address of a single pointer and change it. We also have a double pointer where we can use star star, and it'll refer all the way through both of them directly to the integer value. So first we'll look at this in local memory, and then we'll add the additional layer of the heap in the next video. So starting with this example, we have an integer value, a local integer value that is set to 42, and we can print that out, and that integer value is at address 00. Next, we add iaddr, so we're adding a pointer that is set to null, and then we're going to set it equal to the address of I. So now it is pointing to the address of I when we dereference it. It has the address of I. And so if we print out the address of IDDR, it was 08. And then if we print out the value contained in IDDR, it's 00. And then if we print what IDDR is pointing at, it's pointing at 42, which is the same as I. Now we're creating a double pointer. It looks the same off the bat. I mean, there's no way to tell the difference just looking at this. It is set to null, so it's not pointing anywhere. And then we're going to set it to the address of IDDR. This is the address of IDDR right here. So it's got D08 or 08. And this allows star double ADDR to point to single ADDR, so we could change this value if we wanted. And then star star double ADDR is pointing directly at the integer value. So we could change this integer value by using the star star notation. This is also star IADDR. Okay, now the address of double ADDR is 10, which is what's printed out, and then the I double ADDR right here is the value in there, so that's this value. Then we can print out the star double ADDR, which is the same as IADDR, which is 00. And then last, star star I double ADDR is the same as star IADDR, which is also I, which is 42. And that's it for this video.